What is good, guys? We're gonna do a quick trade recap. Let me see. Let me double check. You can see my screen. Yeah. Okay. So let's cook. Let me turn this off. Boom. So 4 hourly. Where did we traded on Tuesday? Because on Monday, price action was dog shit. Literally dog shit. Like it was just fucking waves. It just went down, up, down, and it didn't stop. It just kept going up and down. So whoever took a trade and won, I mean, congratulations, bro. Okay, so we got Tuesday, 7. So market opens around here. So we can see that at this time we made a higher low, a higher high, and then a higher low. So we were trending up on the 4 hourly. On the 1 hourly, we broke structure to the upside. So we're bullish on the 4 hourly and on the hourly. So we're gonna go and see where is liquidity resting. Boom, we have this 1 hour low. We have this 4 hourly low, I'm pretty sure. Yep, 4 hourly low. So 4 hourly low, 1 hourly low, another hourly low, more lows here, but this hourly low didn't hit. So what do we have? We come back down, price sweeps these lows. So this low and this low, which is pretty crazy. And I'm like, okay, well, what is going to be my take profit? It's going to be these previous highs. So I wanted these highs as my take profit and these highs, and they all hit. So what's going to happen now? We're going to go to the 5 minute. Oh my God, it's all the way back here. And after price comes back and sweep these lows, what do we have? We have this order block. As it's coming up, right, it sweeps these lows. As it's coming up, I go to the 1 minute, and oh my God, it's all the way here. Come on. And I see this fair value gap, bearish fair value gap. So okay, if we get an inverse fair value gap, we're good, right? And what are our three confluences? So it's a liquidity C, a break of structure. So I'm on my hands, and I'm like, okay, I think price is gonna, like, I already know that price is gonna go up. So my two options to enter this trade was either, okay, we just swept liquidity over here, this first liquidity, right? And I thought, okay, if price is gonna give us an inverse fair value gap, we're just gonna enter off right here. If price disrespects this imbalance, we're just gonna enter along over here. But what did the price do? It came back all the way down here, swept these 4 hour sell side liquidity, right? And then what do we want? So liquidity sweep, we want a 5 minute break of structure. Boom, we get this break of structure. I don't wait for my fair value gap to get filled because we have this 1 minute inverse fair value gap, which just gave me confirmation. So boom, we have this. Let me mark this out one more time so you guys can see it. We have this boom inverse fair value gap. We can see that price respects this price range. We come back here, we come back down, we break structure, we come back up. More orders get filled. We sweep this liquidity. We get a 5 minute break of structure. We don't fill this fair value gap right here, but I get a break of structure and I get an inverse fair value gap, which is already like, damn, this is good. And then what happens next? Price comes all the way up here. Take profit 1 is above this bearish fair value gap, so we get this inverse fair value gap. If you guys missed the entry, which I sent out on my Telegram, you guys could have entered over here and put your take profit over here and made some money, but that's why you got to be my Telegram, because I give you guys free signals, and you make money. Boom. You put the stop loss below this inverse fair value gap. Price hits take profit 1, we move the stop loss to break even. Price hits take profit 2, these resting liquidity right here, literally it runs our stop loss. Boom, we made new all-time highs yesterday, which is pretty crazy. My buys for today, I honestly don't know. I wanted to get into until my time, 6:30, so I can know what price does, because price might honestly come back up here, boom, take out these highs, and then just, so I don't want to mess up my buys too much. But this trade, it was a 5 RR, which is, it's an awesome trade. And this was some beautiful price action to see. But on Monday, I mean, just look at this, right? This is just like, look at this. This is just horrible. Look at this. We break structure to the upside. We don't sweep any liquidity. Let's go to the 15-minute. We don't sweep any liquidity. We don't even break structure right here. We come back down. We sweep this liquidity. Okay, are we gonna come back up? No, we're not gonna come back up. Are we gonna go down? Are we gonna go down? Like, who the fuck knows where the price is gonna go on Monday, right? It's just so choppy. And that's it. I mean, that's it for the trade recap. We made $564, I think, off this trade. I de-risked though, because what happened on Monday. Yeah, I mean, it was a pretty good trade. See you guys on a later trade recap. Mwah.